Hi everyone, I'm back with another tutorial. In this tutorial, I will be showing you how you can log in into your Goldman Sachs account on your device. So make sure to watch the video till the end and also make sure to follow the step correctly. Just a quick reminder, before you try for login, make sure that you already have an account. Only then you'll be able to log in into your account. So then let's get started. First of all, you'll have to open up your web browser. You can use the web browser of your choice. As you open up your web browser, on the search box type in the link, that is www.goldmansachs.com. If you are confused regarding the link, you can find it on my description box as well. Once you type in the link, on the other page will land inside the official site or the profile page. Out here, the interface looks something like this. In order to log in on the same page, tap on Client Login in the top right corner. As you tap on Client Login, there's a drop-down menu. Out here, you'll have to select your site. Make sure to select the site according to your bank account. Once you're done selecting your site, on the other page will land inside Login page. So then the login page might differ according to the site that you've selected. Out here you can see they have asked me for my login information, that includes my username and my security ID. So in case if you have different options, such as if they're asking for your email address or your phone number or OTP, so make sure to enter it correctly. In case if you are logging in using your username, so make sure to enter it correctly. Once you do that, next you'll have to provide your security ID or a PIN. So as you're done entering your information, once again make sure to review it. Only then tap on OK. As soon as you tap on OK, on the other page you will successfully land inside your Goldman Sachs bank account on your device. That is how you can log in into your Goldman Sachs account on your device. That is all for this video. In case if the video was helpful, then make sure to like, share, subscribe and also hit the bell icon so that you never miss an update. Thank you for watching.